So if you're in the music business, you're no longer selling music. You're selling what? Access, experience, context. That's going to happen to everyone, to banking, to insurance, maybe even to government. Right? Technology. So that basically means this. Keep it very simple. In 10 years, nothing is impossible anymore. The thing is that now we're living in a world where we have to do two things. Right? We have to think of the old business, and then we have to think of the new business. If you're an oil company, you're lucky today, 84% of the world's supply of energy is fossil fuels. Right? Coal, gas, oil, and nuclear to some degree. You know that in 20 years, it's going to be over here. Now, this is a huge pain. Imagine that. I mean, Shell and ExxonMobil have already announced transition plans. This is the wave of change, I like to say. If you're in the media business, you're already in that. If you're in the e-commerce business, of course, the mobile phone business, and of course, the car business. But waiting on the beach, education, banking, energy, insurance. If you run an energy company or a bank, look at the music business, that's what's going to happen to you. So here's the challenge. The human cards that we're holding, these are very old cards. They haven't really changed very much. Ethics, values, beliefs, assumptions, emotions, compassion. You know, they're down here, and technology has a new card every week. There's a new card. You know, geoengineering, nanotechnology, you know, uploading your brain to the internet, you know, simple things like that. But basically, intelligent machines will change our world more than anything else we've seen develop in the last 50 years. And I would tell you, I think 90% of that is extremely positive. We can change global warming. We can fix the energy problem. We can solve diseases. But there are 10% left here that are issues like privacy, data protection, application. And we have to watch that as well, because the problem is, of course, this is, you know, if you're my age, you are going to see this. This is not that far away. This is years, not decades. It's already here. So this is not to scare you. I think this is a fantastic opportunity, but we have to put it in with a balance of a sort to say, well, what exactly are we doing in this convergence of man and machine? How far should we take this? If I ask you personally, how far would you go? Would you like to connect your brain to the internet so you can think faster?